Welcome to my channel Intelligent Quiz Explorer. Protein is the building block of muscles and essential for a healthy body. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 high-protein meals you should include in your daily diet to boost energy, build muscle, and stay fit. 1. Eggs. Eggs contain about 6 grams of protein per egg and are a complete protein source because they provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a great, budget-friendly breakfast option that helps with muscle repair. 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast provides around 31 grams of protein per 100 grams and is one of the best lean protein sources since it is low in fat and high in muscle-building protein. 3. Salmon. Salmon contains approximately 25 grams of protein per 100 grams and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and help reduce inflammation. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt offers about 10 grams of protein per 100 grams and is thicker than regular yogurt, making it a great post-workout snack that also supports digestion. 5. Lean beef. Lean beef has roughly 26 grams of protein per 100 grams and is rich in iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, which help boost strength and support muscle growth. 7. Lentils. Lentils provide around 9 grams of protein per 100 grams when cooked and are an affordable plant-based protein source that is also high in fiber, making them ideal for vegetarians. 7. Cottage cheese, paneer. Cottage cheese, paneer, contains about 11 grams of protein per 100 grams and is a slow-digesting protein, casein, which keeps you full longer and is perfect for a nighttime meal. 8. Almonds. Almonds give approximately 6 grams of protein per handful, 28 grams, and combine healthy fats with protein, making them a great energy-boosting snack. 9. Tuna. Tuna provides about 30 grams of protein per 100 grams and is a low-calorie, high-protein seafood option that is ideal for weight loss and easy to prepare. 10. Milk. Milk contains around 8 grams of protein per cup and provides both whey and casein protein, making it a convenient daily protein source that also supports bone health. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy and keep choosing high-protein foods.